the other part to that is military people, because of that mindset heuristic or that existing military experience, have absolutely convinced themselves they can figure it out, even though they cannot articulate with any specificity how they're going to do it. They're just going to say, I'm going to be a blue collar guy. I'm going to go figure it out. And you're like, well, how are you going to do that? And they're like, I have no idea. So we get highly educated and rational people become highly irrational during this time period. And this is problematic, because going back to your 08 your conversation with the 08, right? What do you want me to do? So that is like, or what should I do, Craig, or help me out? This is quintessential military mindset heuristic. This is your military experience of being told what your job is and what you're going to do next. Again, it doesn't fault the intelligence of a clearly very intelligent class of people. It's just they've run so many cognitive cycles in their head, right? Of here's your AFSC, here's your MOS, here's your next job, go figure it out. That's not how it works, right?
Yeah.
You're not given a job and then you go figure it out. It's you got to figure out what the jobs are and plug yourself into that. So it's a fundamental change. Fundamental.
It's a little like this. It's like, I use the vacation analogy. My wife is incredibly organized. She's like organized, annoyingly organized, which I love about her, because we're going on vacation to Spain. Well, we're going to Spain, or we're going wherever. She's like, here's what we're going to do when we're in Spain. Everybody's like, cool, this is where we're going. She's got to figure it out. But imagine you drop it. What are we going to do? Oh, we don't know. Let's just figure it out when we get there. You don't speak the language. You don't know the turf. You don't know the geography. Nobody, you don't know what's there. You don't know what's available. And this is what, and this is where the disconnect is, I fly F-18s off a flight deck. I'll figure it out. Well, no, you won't. You probably won't. And this is what makes HR leaders and hiring managers inside business mental, because they know that the average military person that's getting out is highly intelligent and brings a lot of skill, but it's all latent because nobody can communicate with each other.